Hello and welcome back to the Super Techie channel. Today we've got an HP Envy 17-inch that we are going to replace the battery. Also, there is a problem with the CMOS battery. Every time you power on the laptop, it does mention that there is an issue with the battery. As you can see, this is an HP Envy laptop 17 se101np. When I press the power button on this laptop, so what happens here is you get an HP battery alert. The system has detected the storage capacity of the battery stated below to be very low. Then enter to start up, and then after that you get another message indicating that the system has detected that the cooling fan is not operating correctly. So this can mean either that the fan is either clogged up with dirt, or there is a problem with the fan, and it does say that it will shut down, and it shut down completely. So I'm going to open the laptop up and we're going to verify what is exactly happening, and we're going to replace the CMOS battery as well as the operational battery of this. So the new battery, the battery I've got here is completely new. It has just come on the mail, and we are going to install it on this laptop. Here it is, brand new LK03XL for this laptop. We also have some CMOS batteries here if required. Right, so we've got here another set of tools, and this should work. Let's start off with the smallest one available. Make sure it's this one. No, it's not, so it should be the next one. Because this laptop has been opened before, I need to be sure that we do not damage the screws here. Okay, this is the so this is the right candidate right here. So I'm just going to put the other ones back. And let's start off by unscrewing. Right, so unscrew from the bottom up. Usually these have some additional screws just under here. Let's have a look, make sure. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. Okay, this one doesn't. Always worth checking. And we're going to check on the other side as well. Lift this up. Yes, we do have some additional screws right over here. Just put the tape back in. So we're gonna just have to remove this. I'll get a new tape back when I just put this back in. Actually, I'll just remove this completely. This is because also the customer, he does want me to add some additional protection on this laptop. Let me show you what I mean. Basically, we are going to put like some steps in. If you look at, for example, this laptop, as you can see here, so it's got some extra protection, and also it does let the air vent better. Also it does help the air ventilate better. So here we need to use a screwdriver too large. It's done. So these three screws come over here, and it's just this one that hasn't really come out. And it probably won't. No, it did. Here it is. The other one on this side. Right, so as you can see, the laptop is already open here, and this is because also the customer did say that this laptop did have some intervention in the past. Therefore, let's just open it up, make sure that we are taking care of everything that the customer advised that we need to have a look into. Okay, let's just remove the cover. Basically, we just need to pull this up, and it's done. Here we got the cover. So we got the laptop here, and here's the battery. The battery doesn't look good at all, so we are going to remove the battery. Okay, right, so to remove the battery, we are just going to turn it over, and let's unscrew this. Wow, okay, yeah, the battery doesn't look good at all, as you can see. Look at this. And you can compare it to the new battery that I'm going to install now. You can see how flat this new battery is compared to this one that's got these huge bubbles here. So this is due to overheating, but it's normal really for this to happen on these laptops. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and replace that. So we've got new battery here, old out, new in. Okay, right, so new battery in and screws in. Let's use this one, slightly better, although the magnet is gone. No need to screw too much.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no time. What's something I can do for you, darling? That would make you smile. I'll bring you flowers, girl. You have to see for miles. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn.
Okay, so now that we've got that in, I am going to power up the laptop, and for that I'm just going to plug in the power. I can see it's already charging the battery. Just gonna open this very gently because it's broken here on the right hand side, and let's power on. So press the power button. Okay, the fan is working, no noise, so it's stopped now. Let's give it a sec because that was the test that it's performing. Okay, it's back working, and now we just need to wait until the screen lights up. Okay, there you go. Right, so the CMOS is invalid, and this is because we put a new battery and we need to reboot. Just press enter to reboot. So the battery is, so the fan is working. And we've got liftoff. So the laptop is now working perfectly. And we're going to run some diagnostic tests, make sure everything is running smoothly. We're going to check the temperature. We're going to leave it for testing for like 24 hours before giving it back to the customer. We're just going to let the battery charge fully to 100%, and then we can wrap this up. But for now, I'm not going to close it up because I really want to make sure that everything is running smoothly with this fan, because it was indeed giving an error with the fan. But it's all nice and beautiful now, everything working fine, and I am happy with this maintenance. And this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch up on the next one.